Hello guys, welcome to SAFETRADER. This is Aravind. And today we have seen that Nifty has closed around 16,300 and most of the times it is playing within a range. And today if you actually look at Nifty, it has formed a particular trend line. And so for tomorrow, for long-term holders, if it is breaking this trend line on the upside, we can buy Nifty and hold up to 16,477 first target and second target hoga 16,500. Okay, and for an intraday level for tomorrow, if it is opening a gap up and sustaining above 16,321, I'm talking about Nifty futures, by the way, please mark it. In Nifty futures, if it is sustaining above 16,321 and taking a retest here, we will go with a target of 16,378 as the first target, and second target will be 16,477. And if it is a gap down, we will wait for this 16,265 to be broken and wait for the retest, and below this retest we will take an entry and go with a target of 16,163. Okay, and let's also look at BankNifty futures, and today it has closed around 34,338. So here we have a lot of options to look at, because I'll tell you why. I will also show you an open interest chart, how we are looking on the bullish side. So today, entire Nifty was rallying due to IT stocks, and also even BankNifty we see a rally that's been forming here. Okay, a trending pattern that has been forming since morning, and now it has made a high of 34,575. So here, if it is opening a gap up tomorrow, we'll wait for this 34,436 to be broken, and above this we'll buy a call option or buy BankNifty with a target of 34,575, which is today's high. And if this sustains above this, we will go with the target of 34,834. And on the downside, our first target will be 34,269, which is about 100 points on the downside, and the second target will be 34,194, almost 34,200. So, and let's also look at one stock that I was suggesting for tomorrow. It is DLF, and entire IT stocks have been bullish today. So I've given this particular DLF stock in the Telegram channel as well. So we are taking an entry around 328 and going with a target of 338 with a stop loss of 322, particularly because of the reason that it is playing within a range. Okay, and however it was taking a 3 touch support at the bottom, and moreover most of the times it has never broken the strong support line, which is around 324. So I am bullish in DLF, and we would like to carry it forward until 338 for tomorrow. Okay, so let's look at how we are expecting BankNifty or Nifty to be performing tomorrow. When I actually look at open interest today, and most of the calls have been unbound themselves. Let's say for example on 16,400, 16,500, even at 16,350, the puts have been unbound, and which is a clear indication that this is going to be bull run for tomorrow. And moreover, even if you look at call change and put change, there is a call change of 12 million and put change of 18.4. And if you look at on a weekly time frame, there is a huge difference between calls and puts, though there are more calls at 16,500 and puts at 16,000. So calls have been writing at 89.1 and puts have been writing at 53.4, and PCR is at 0.6, which is a bullish to or bearish to bullish pattern. Okay, let's look at the multi-strike OI, where lot of when you actually look at calls have been unwound and also puts have been unwound at the end of the day, and which are also during the day there have been lot of put writing and in the morning, and then afterwards there have been a lot of call writing in the afternoon. So there was a bullish momentum that was expected, and the BankNifty was never falling below this zone since it rose up to 34,570. And if you look at a bank nifty open interest as well, and puts have been unwound, which is also indicating a bullish pattern. And if you look at the call and put OI change, there have been a call change of 7.6 and a put change of 5.1, which is slightly a sideways, or it can be up and down market. And so we are expecting once 34,500 is broken tomorrow, we are expecting bank nifty to rally up to 35,000, which is going to be a 500 point move from the 34,500. And even on the weekly time frame, if you look at, so the target is going to be 34,500 for tomorrow initially, and if it opens a gap up above 34,500, our target is going to be 35,000. And if you look at the total calls and puts, calls have been written in more in number, and total puts have been less. But we'll have to wait and see how this is going to be tomorrow morning, because the open interest can change within a day. Okay, thank you so much, and stay tuned for SAFETRADER. Please do like and share, subscribe to our channel for more and wider reach. Thank you so much.